Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So in this class we're gonna learn about Varignon's principle. It is the most important principle to know about because most of the gate problems will be solved by this principle.
How can we know the moment of force? Moment of force can be known if we know the force applied about a point and the particular distance x, because moment is equal to force into perpendicular distance. That means moment about O is P into x. So if we don't know the x, that means for some cases at angular forces we don't know the exact perpendicular distance. So at that cases the moment of components will be equal to the force P. That means x component and y component will be equal to P.
For example, if there is a case like this, it is pin joint. If there is a force like this, okay, we can say that the distance is y and this is x. So how can we find this moment about O? If we see this, what will be the perpendicular distance d? We don't know the exact perpendicular distance from here. So how can we find the moment of F? The Varignon's principle states that the components of F, what will be the components of F? F cos theta and F sin theta. So the moment of F will be equal to these moments. That means F into D, the sum of moments F into D is equal to, see this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. So F sin theta, the perpendicular distance is x into x. So this
Clockwise we can take negative
minus F cos theta into y. So with this we can find the unknown distance. So Varignon's principle states that the moment of force about any point is equal to sum of moments of components of that force about the same point. That's it.